I like salads. What about you? I hope you also love different type of salads, but it's too good for us because it's healthy and it's very good for us, and of course anytime you can have the salad. Salad when you make also, there are different type of seasoning that we put. One is French dressing, or we can use even the cream that is called salad cream for this. I have got two bowls here which I am going to show on one French dressing and the salad cream. So we will see how it comes. First thing, I will take the olive oil. Olive oil 1 tablespoon for this and 1 tablespoon for the other one. Then we need mustard cream. There is 1 teaspoon of mustard cream for this and 1 teaspoon for the other one. Then we need the lime juice. Lime, that is also for both. 2 teaspoons I have put. Vinegar, we'll use the vinegar. 1.5 I put. We need sugar also. Where I am going to put the yogurt, I won't put the sugar because it will be sweet. Yogurt is sweet now, so we will have it sweet there. So now I have put everything. Sugar into this, and the other one I didn't put sugar because we are going to put the yogurt. Now we mix both separately with the fork. For both I am using the same ingredients. For one I use the sugar. Now we'll cream it nicely. We need a little bit of salt, right? So we mix for both the salt also. For the other one I am going to add the yogurt. This is called the salad cream. See how it comes, the salad cream. Along with that, if you like, you can use the mint leaves. Remember, we have got 2 kinds of salad cream. One is French dressing and the other one is salad cream. Now what we are going to do is, we'll see what we could do for the salad. Broccoli is very good and healthy also. If you like, you can use red pepper, green pepper also. That's no. And gherkin. Grated carrot I am using. Since I am using the grated carrot, I won't steam or do anything. It's a raw carrot that you use it. We'll put the tomatoes also. We have mixed all these together, and then if you like, you can use pineapple, cheese, using the cheese also. We need, if you like something like savory, if you like, you can have even the chicken ham. All this goes into the salad. We make all this, mix it everything together. And one more thing, either I can use the salad or the iceberg lettuce, which I have already put it in ice, water and kept so that it will be crunchy. Can you hear the noise? The crunchiness is coming. Now we have mixed everything. Now all this mixture which we have already mixed it, we can go ahead, keep it in the fridge. Now you are going to keep this in the fridge, and just before serving, you plan it, will you? Whether you want the French dressing or the salad cream. I will first put the French dressing and show you. Now this is ready. This is how you make the salad. We'll mix now French dressing, salad cream, everything I am going to mix and show you. so that it's going to be delicious, it's going to be tasty. Okay, so I am mixing that also into the same thing I am using, so that it will be really nice and tasty. I'm ready to have my salad. Now I have to use a little pepper. So long I didn't use pepper here because we Sri Lankans like pepper into it. Salt and pepper, mixing it together. Lastly you mix nicely and it's ready. Something different to the normal preparation, we can have it on the salad leaf, or you serve it as it is in a bowl. This salad is something different to all of us. I'm sure you will like it. We buy the French dressing, we buy the salad cream, but today we have made it. So, you know, every time we prepare something on our own, we are proud to say that you know how to prepare. Prepare this and taste it, and you will feel really happy and healthy also. Thank you for watching my program, and I hope you will enjoy preparing all these dishes. Thank you very much.